Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a subplot, that is more than one graph in a particular figure using Python, and in this video I will be using subplot function in Matplotlib library. Import Matplotlib. .pyplot as plt. Next, import numpy as np. Now I am going to take x coordinate and y coordinate. X equal to numpy dot array I am taking 5 points 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. For y coordinate, y equal to numpy dot array here I also take 5 values 6, 5, 3, 8, 5. Using these 2 points, I am going to draw a line plot in plot 1, that is on the left side of our plot as a subplot. So plot, that is plt dot subplot here we have to specify the coordinate, that is the first plot will be displayed on the left hand side, so we have to write 1 row 2 column and the plot will be the first plot, that is 1. Now we have to plot plt dot plot, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, and color color equal to red. For the second plot, I have to take again x coordinate and y coordinate. So I am taking x1 numpy array some points 1, 2, 4, 3, 8, and for y coordinate y1 equal to numpy dot array some points 10, 12, 9, 23, 15. I want to plot this line chart or line graph on the right hand side of the plot. So I have to write plt dot subplot that is 1 row 2 column, and this plot is the second column. Now I have to plot the second graph. plt dot plot that is x1 and y1. Finally I have to write plt dot show, this show function. Okay, now I am running this code. As you can see, the first plot is displayed on the left hand side, that is the first column, and second plot is displayed on the right hand side, that is the second column. For the red one, the subplot was 1 2 1, that is 1 row 2 columns, and this is the first plot. So 1 row 2 columns, this is the first plot. For the second one, 1 row 2 columns and second plot. So 1 row 2 columns and second plot. This is how we can draw more than one plot at the same time using subplot function. So thank you for watching this video. For this kind of video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.